For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this goddess Marley twist. You guys, this hair is a game changer. I've actually been thinking about this style for a while now, and I just finally found the perfect person to rock this hair. And of course, I had to do a detailed tutorial for you guys. So if you're interested, sit back, relax, grab your jollof rice, and let's go. I love to do the box parts, so that's what we're doing today. And when I do my twist, I like to split it in half before I go in with the twisting. So you split halfway or diagonally or in the middle, whichever one feels natural to you or has a more natural finish to the client's hair. And then I take this hair, this is the Jamaican twist braid Marley hair, and I twist it before I place it onto the client's hair. So I twist it a little bit so that way the roots are already twisted when I place it, and I place it on top of the client's hair, and then I twist her hair around the Marley twist to the right side. I always twist to the right, and then I flip it over to the other hand, twist the bottom to the right as well, and then I crisscross, and then I twist and cross and twist and cross. Okay, I never just not twist before I cross. Okay, that is always the guide to keeping your twist looking consistent. And then I take this this is the FreeTress Curl. I forgot the name of this, but I'll put it in the description below. It's not deep twist, okay? It's a different Presto Curl actually. It's called Presto Curl. I place it onto the hair. I leave half of it out of the twist, and then I continue to braid the other half, and then when it gets time to where I kind of want the other half to be left out, I will leave that out as well. So just pay attention and watch. This is the goddess Marley twist, so you just kind of have to twist the hair with the curly hair. You could try crocheting it in, but I'm not sure how that would look with twists because you can't really hide it so well unlike braids. So keep that in mind when you do this style. It's best to just twist it along with the hair. It keeps it nice and secure, and when you get tired of your curls, just go ahead and take a pair of scissors and cut the curls off and rock the twist as is. Okay, so this is a 2-for-1 hairstyle. So as you can see, I'm leaving the other half of the curls out of the twist, so that way you can have the goddess look at the top and at the bottom of the hair. Now this is not where it stops, you guys. I also curl the ends of the Marley hair at the end, so keep that in mind, just so that everything just kind of comes together and makes sense. So just kind of skip to the end if you want to see that portion of the tutorial. So when I get to the end, I take the curly hair and I clip it out of the way because you don't want to get hot water on the curly hair. This is very important because if you get hot water on the hair, it's going to get straight and it's going to ruin the whole look. So keep it out of the way before you dip the hair into hot water. And then I take a perm rod and I'm going to curl the hair to give it the curl that I want that's going to blend in with the Presto Curl. Now these perm rods come in different sizes depending on how loose you want your curls to be. This is like the medium standard size, and I just open the perm rods and I twist the Marley hair around the perm rods so that way the hair is actually twisted, not just wavy. So literally twisting the hair while I'm twisting it around the perm rods. So go ahead and dip the hair in hot water. Be very careful so that way you do not burn yourself or your clients. This is very important. Do not dip the hair all the way through because like I said, you do not want to get the curly hair into the hot water because it's going to ruin the whole look. So you want to be very careful and very cautious so that way you do not burn yourself or your clients. And then you go ahead and take spritz and spray the hair so that way the curls last as long as his hair lasts. If you do not spray the hair with spritz, the curls are going to fall and drop in a couple of days. So it's very important to give it that spritz so that way it lasts longer and you know the client enjoys the curls a little bit longer. Repeat the step throughout the hair and you should be good. So when you unravel the perm rods, you want to unravel it counterclockwise to the way you wrapped it around, so that way you do not lose the curls while you're unraveling the perm rods. So you want to be very careful because you do not want to mess up the work you just did. So just kind of keep that in mind. And when I'm done, I like to take a pair of scissors and clip the ends so that way it does not tangle up on me. Your curls apart. So yeah, you guys, this is really it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Now the maintenance for this hair, I would say you can use you have to be very like meticulous about the maintenance. You got to make sure you wear your silk satin bonnets. You got to make sure every morning you use your curl activating either mousse or like cream to really get this curly hair popping, because sometimes FreeTress hair tends to act up a little bit, so you want to take extra care of it. This is not the type of hairstyle that you just do and just go to bed at night and not take care of. No, it's very high maintenance. Curls are naturally very high maintenance. So anytime you have curly hair, you have to make sure that you're taking proper care of it, okay? So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, make sure you smash the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Like I said, we do not watch videos for free, okay? And I love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in my next video. And trust me, you do not want to miss the next video, okay? You do not want to miss the next video. I'm not playing this year, you guys. I am not playing, okay? I love you guys. Have a merry day and God bless.